everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, or Main Rebel, here on YouTube and on Instagram, and you can also find me on TikTok. And today I am so over my hair. I loved it for like a minute. It wasn't my favorite hair color that I've ever done, but clearly I've let it go. My roots are so long and I'm just ready for a whole new transformation. I just went shopping for everything that I needed. It cost me like $200 worth of product. That's it. That's not even including my hair extensions, which were like $378. But that's just, it doesn't even matter. Whatever. Sorry. I'm trying to eat my favorite. This is my goal. So what I want to do is I want to remove this blue and then hopefully make it be just as blonde as this side. Now the only reason that this side is blue and this side is blonde is because in my previous color, this side was orange and this side was yellow. And when I went to remove it, this side was still very pinky and it was still very uneven, and I wanted to wear it blonde, but the unevenness bothered me way too much, so I just covered it up with blue. But I think that the blue somehow neutralized the orange that was beneath it. So I feel that if I were to remove this, it could be a blank canvas. Now, it might not be. It might be like minty green. I could not, for the life of me, find any packets of the DDL or the blank canvas. Now, if you've seen my channel in the past, I don't remove colors without those. But I was looking at my stockpile and I found some. I'm so excited, still very nervous. Now I'm only removing the blue side, so this is more than enough. I think I'm just gonna do Pulp Riot. Hopefully, if everything comes up well and the blue removal process, there's not gonna be any issues, but I wanna do like a rainbow root. And before we even get to that, I need to take care of this situation here. Sorry for the super long intro, but here I am sectioning my hair, and before I do anything, I decided to just do an Olaplex standalone treatment and cover my entire hair in it. Now, in the past, I have put Olaplex in my color remover, but I feel like this is just more efficient. So here I am just mixing one packet of the blank canvas with Tenval, and I'm just saturating my hair thoroughly because I do not want to do a second application. Now, blank canvas will lift your natural, and in my case, I don't care because I'm actually going to bleach my roots. This is what my hair looked like after 30 minutes. There was a little bit of residue. It did kind of bother me, but I wasn't going to let it bother me enough to do a second application because that was just going to be way too harsh. When my hair came out, it honestly looks really good. I didn't experience much hair loss, which is what I was most nervous about. I'm not going to worry about the little bit of residue that's left over. I feel like my toner will cover it right up. If not, I might just like bring it down a little bit, like at the very end. But now it's time for my bleach touch-up. This was cake. I'm so happy that this didn't give me very many issues. But now I have to do my roots, and I'm really not looking forward to that. And this is what my hair looked like blow dried. Not too bad. You can see like the unevenness from like the blue to a gold band to some orange, old hair color that's still kind of in there. But overall, I mean, it looks pretty even. I didn't record this bleach touch-up because I already have so many videos on this. I'm going to link it right over here where you can see it. But this was not my best application. I hated this bleach touch-up more than anything, and you'll see. Oh my God, I forgot to buy gloves today. Look at those. That's what you call chemical burns, and it hurt. Bleach touch-up kicked my ass. I thought it'd be a lot easier because I'm just like so used to it. Like I've done it multiple times, but let's see what we got. I knew that I had waited way too long to do my bleach touch-up, and it gave me so many bands. They're not terrible, but they're not great. touch-ups on my own. Like, it's literally the scariest thing ever.
So at this point, I'm just going to tone. I'm using 9-81 by Wella with 10 vol, and I'm starting on the blue side because I want the toner to sit on that side longer.
Hello, it is day 2 now, and this is what my hair lifted to. Very impressed and very shocked at how light this got. I wasn't planning on my hair getting this light in the first place. So when I ordered my hair extensions, which I ordered over a week ago, they arrived like a week ago, and I never opened the package like an idiot. If I would have opened it sooner, I might have been able to return my extensions because this is what they look like. But my hair is literally white right now. I already actually opened the warranty thing, so we're gonna have to make this work because I don't really want to wait another week or so. This is becoming a fucking project, not what I wanted to deal with today. I'm so sad. I just worked a full day at the hair salon and now I have to come here and do this. Anyways, here's the first look. I ordered, this is a sew-in, by the way. I'm also gonna sew these into my own head, which is something that I've never done before. But I'm always down to do things once. If I can bleach my hair, I can sew extensions into my hair. It's not that hard. Or maybe it is, I don't know, we'll find out. Anyways, so this is Bellamy. This is the volume lift. It's 20-inch sew-in, and the color is Butter Blonde Natural. So this is what that looks like. It's beautiful.
So I need to make the illusion that these extensions are lighter than they are. So I'm gonna try and ash them out with some purple shampoo.
Now, no amount of purple shampoo is gonna make these lighter because purple shampoo it can tone the hair, but it's not gonna make it lighter. It's not bleach. There's no peroxide in it. It will not make it lighter. Do you see how big this is? Now that it's open, it looks slightly lighter. My hair is still a little bit more ash than this, but I think it's time for a toner.
Because this is a giant weft and I don't want to waste a ton of color with the wrong toner, I'm just cutting off an edge into 2 pieces and I'm going to swatch them. On the left side, or whatever this side is the Wella 9-81, and on this side is a 10-1 by Pulp Riot. Now I'm just going to see which one works better and which one looks closer to my hair.
This gray one was the Wella 9-81. And guys, look at this. This was the Pulp Riot 10-1. I think this is gonna work. I feel like it's still slightly darker, but I feel like I can get away with this. So I'm gonna go with this one.
So now that I've swatched the color and I know which one I'm going to use, I'm going to section my hair where I'm going to put the extensions in, and I'm going to measure out the weft and cut only what I need. I'm only planning on doing 2 tracks, so I'm only doing this twice. Now that I've measured out the hair that I need for my extensions, I'm just toning them with the 10-1 by Pulp Riot. And while this is processing, I'm going to do my rainbow root on just my mohawk. These are my colors, they're pastels, and I'm just going to section the top half before I start.
Okay, that was so much harder than I thought it was gonna be. I don't think I did like the best application, but honestly, I don't even care at this point. I've been working on this hair for well over 12 hours, so I'm pretty ready to be done. And I still have to do my extensions. I did it. It looks so cute. Oh my God. And sorry, look at these extensions. They're totally gonna fit in my hair color right now. I'm so excited. It's midnight, but I'm this close to being done. Now, I am actually gonna sew these into my hair. So we are up for another challenge.
So I have my hair sectioned for my extensions and I'm getting my tools ready. I'm gonna need beads, a needle, and some thread. I'm gonna feed the beads into this little tool. I forget what it's called, but you're also gonna need some pliers. And I like to start in the middle and I like to get sections slightly larger than the bead so the bead doesn't slip out when I sew in between it. And it's really important to leave at least an inch in between the last bead and the hairline. Once the beads are in my hair, I like to thread my needle and I like to do like a triple knot like I'm doing here. And once that's ready, I like to get my hair extension and place it where I'm gonna sew it and just secure it with some clips. Now this part gets so technical that I'm not even gonna try to explain it. If you want a tutorial on how to do a sew and weft, let me know and I will give it to you. Since I already know how to do this on other people, I'm using mirrors and I'm honestly using touch to figure out where I'm supposed to be putting in the needle and stuff. This was not a perfect application, but it worked. But it was very difficult. So once the extension on my nape is done, I just move up to my crown area and I do the exact same thing. I feed the beads in, and then once the beads are in, I just start sewing. This section took me so long. The whole thing took me about 3 hours, and I was so excited when I was finally done. 15 hours later, look at these results. I am obsessed with my hair and I can't believe I didn't do a sew and weft sooner.
I have been going at this for 2 days straight and I love it. I'm so obsessed. I can't believe I'm finally fucking done. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. Bye guys, thanks.